Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this one is when my dad was here with us and he wanted to go eat at Steak and Shake, so we did. We look like Little Limb, so we look like part of the Steak and Shake team. Actually, Mateo got the hat and we each put it on. I don't think we each had our own. The pink layer and heart layer is Vicky Booten's Color Kaleidoscope. Added my pictures. Alright, so that blue polka dot layer and the floral layer that you see me getting ready to put up are Simple Story, Sunshine, and Blue Skies. And then the pink stripe layer that is behind, wait a minute, oops. The pink stripe layer is Heidi Swap Color Fresh. Oh, right there, okay. That is Vicky Booten, and then the striped layer is Heidi Swap. I forgot I put those scraps right there. Alright, so the die cuts, of course, are Vicky Booten. I have some chipboard stickers. That's a puffy sticker, which is Vicky Booten as well. I use chipboard stickers, which are, of course, American Crafts Hello Friend stickers. And then now I find an excuse to use that taco, even though we didn't get tacos, we're not eating tacos, we're not at a taco place. It is a food place, so I can use food embellishment so I can keep them from going into my stash that I have too much of. And then I'm going to use some clear label stickers in a minute, and those are Crepe Papers All Heart. And then for my title, Hello and Steak and Shake are American Crafts Happy Day Thickers, and then Welcome to is American Crafts Be Kind Thickers. And so I'm just trying to figure out how I can get those on the page. It just wasn't working for me. So I end up going with it like this. So I'm going to add some stars in clusters of 3. And then once I get that done, that is going to pretty much complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.